clinic kanina. Actually, ano ko yan, tawag dito, schedule ko para sa ngipin ko sana. Kaso lang, nagkamali yung, ewan ko kung sinong nagkamali sa kanila, yung nag-book sa akin ng schedule or yung nag-confirm sa akin ng schedule nung Friday. Kasi, ang alam ko 4 o'clock yung schedule ko, pero sabi nila 3 o'clock daw. So, nagpare-schedule ako by Monday. And unexpected guys, si Yamor tuloy yung nagpabunot ng ngipin kasi yung dalawang teeth niya dito sa harapan, umuuga siya. And napansin ko kagabi, may tumutubo ng bago yung permanent teeth niya. So, sinabi ko sa kanyang doktor kanina, sabi ng doktor niya, ano daw, sabi ng kanyang doktor, kailan si Yamor? Ayan. Sabi ng kanyang doktor, mas mabuti.
If I want to try the you can shut the phone and shut the speaker and I smile.
Yasi, what? Yasi! So, ayan. Sabi ng doktor niya, ano? No. Sabi ng doktor ni Yamor, it's better daw na... Oh, you're feeling cold? It's better daw na ano, na tanggalin na lang yung ngipin niya.
Cold.
You feeling cold?
Yeah.
Maybe inside cinema you will feel cold. Come, let's ask for Baba if you have the jacket in the car. Come here. No problem, it's fine. Daming hanas ni Yamor. So, ayun nga guys. Oh, Yasi, don't go there. You will get dirty. All of a sudden, biglang hindi prepared si Yamor dito para sa kanyang ngipin. Biglang binunot na lang ng kanyang doctor, yung kanyang dentist, binunot niya yung ngipin niya. See? Tingnan niya si Yamor, oh. Dalawang ngipin yung binunot.
I didn't know that this will happen.
Yeah. Hindi ini-expect ni Yamor na bubunutin yung ngipin niya today. So, ayan guys, para malungkot si Yamor kanina, sad, umiyak siya kasi medyo masakit yata yung ano, yung tawag dito, anesthesia na tinusok sa kanyang ngipin, ay sa kanyang gum, so umiiyak siya. So, ito namang si Yasi, nag-request siya ng ano, nagre-request na manood daw ng sine. Stand up, Yasi! So, ayan, nandito kami sa Carrefour ngayon. Mag-check kami kung may pang kids na movie ngayon. So, tingnan natin guys kung meron tayong mapapanood na bagong movies. Kasi, gusto nilang manood eh. For the first time, manonood sila ng cinema. Ganyan siya magsalita. Ganyan magsalita.
I cannot talk though, show you. Because you're there.
Can you show your teeth? And then? Ayun. Bungi na si Yamor. Nabungi. So, ayan guys, manonood kami. Papasok na kami sa loob. So, update you later guys. Bye-bye! Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa loob ng mall and nakabili na kami ng ticket. Kaso lang yung movie magi-start pa ng 7:30, so alas 6 pa lang, 6:20 pa lang. So may 1 hour pa kami bago mag-start. Yeah. Si Yasi, yeah, magkaiba kasi sila ng ano. Yeah, magkasalungat sila ng ano eh, ng gustong panoorin. Yeah, si Yasi gusto manood ng Avatar. So, anyway guys, may 1 hour pa kami before the movie. It's our first time to watch in the cinema, right?
You actually go before, but you don't go in a very long time.
Yeah,
that's why now it's your first time again.
So, anyway guys, pupunta muna kami sa may Baskin and Robbins kasi bibili kami ng... Yeah, bibili kami ng... What we will buy, Yamor?
Cotton candy ice cream.
Gusto ni Yamor ng ano, cotton candy ice cream?
Or chocolate chip.
Okay. Gusto niya ng cotton candy sa Baskin and Robbins. And Bawal siya kumain muna ng mainit. Hot food or hot beverage. So, cold beverage siya. Tuwang-tuwa yung bata kasi mag-ice cream. Oh, it's so cute.
And then the only time that I could not drink
Hot for 24 hours.
Cold drink for 24 hours.
24-hour challenge, cold only. So, ayan guys. See you later.
My favorite foods are warm and hot.
Ayan na guys. Papasok na kami for the kids movie. Ito na yung aming snacks.
Our number is
wherever you go from here, you have to promise to take care of that little boy for me. He never doubts that he is loved.
This is a person party, Pickles. That's your party.
So this is where dignity goes to die.
Tulog na ang Yasin boss. Nakatulog na manood. Hey!
What's in there?
there's also kids.
So, area.
Discover new words.
Good night. You enjoy? Hey, can I ask you something? Did you enjoy the movie?
Yeah.
Do you like that movie night? Huh?
Yeah, but
How's your first experience? Huh? It's good?
I think it's night time.
What?
I think it's dark a little. Listen to drama movies. Did you